Hey everyone, we're spending money on goals every single day, but are you getting the most out of every euro or dollar you spend? Or is your budget correctly leaking away? Because of one thing the most advertisers completely ignore, that one thing is quality score. Now I know what are you thinking. You have heard about quality score before, right? And you know it is a number from 1 to 10. Just it. Just that's it. But here's the truth. Most people look at the number and stop there. And you already include this list, so they do nothing with it, and that is exactly why their campaigns stressed at. So in this video I'm going to show you how to actually use quality score like a professional goal as manager, slide by slide, step by step, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which keywords are wasting your money and why they are failing and what to do about it. So if you manage Google Ads for your business or for a client straight till the end, this will change how you look at your campaigns forever. So let us get started. So today our video topic is quality score analysis. This is the last video of our Google Ads weekly optimization playlist, so must watch till the end. Okay. So you will see in here 4 topics: aspect ratio, ad relevance, landing page, and keyword level. And these are the 4 things that control how Google decides whether you rate deserve to show and how much you pay for it. So we're going to cover all 4 in detail. Let us move into next slide. So in here, okay, so what is quality score? Quality score is a number that Google gives to every single keyword in your account. It goes from 1 to 10. You can see the color bar in a red and green. So red on the left means the keyword is performing poorly and so bad keyword, and green on the right means it doing well. Okay. So now look at the 3 boxes below. You have expected CTR, ad relevance, landing page. So number 1 is expected CTR. This means when someone searches for a keyword, how likely are they to actually click on your ad compared to your competitors. Number 2 is ad relevance. This means does your ad actually match what a person is searching for? If they search for apartment cleaning, but your ad talks about office cleaning, this is a relevance problem. So this is irrelevant. Okay. And box number 3 is landing page experience. After someone clicks your ad, database they land or actually give them what they are looking for, or does it confuse them and make them leave? So now here's the most important thing on the slide. Quality score is not a KPI, it is a diagnostic tool. Okay, this means do not try to make the number go higher just for the sake for it. Instead, use it to find the real problem and fix that. This is the mistake most people make. They want a score of 10, but the goal is not 10. The goal is better performance, get better quality score, or better quality lead. So quality score just helps you get there. So why do we actually do quality score analysis every week? What question does it help us answer? What question? Question number 1 is which keywords are underperforming because of relevance problem. This helps you spot keywords that look fine on surface but are actually getting poor quality traffic. And question number 2 is which keywords need restructuring, not just a bit change. A lot of people just lower the bid when something is not working, but sometimes the real issue is that the whole ad group is messy or generic and needs to be reorganized. Okay. And question number 3 is which keywords are wasting your budget because of mismatch. This is when keyword is attracting the wrong type of searches, people who are not interested in what you are selling. And question number 4 is which keywords have hidden potential. If you improve quality, some keywords are already converting but still have low score. So these are gold, fix them and your cost per lead can drop significantly. And the last question is which low quality keywords should be paused, split out, and or replace completely. So these 5 questions are you guide every single way. Okay. So this is how professionals think about their accounts, not just numbers but problem to solve. Now let us look at a real example. This is a home cleaning service in Dallas, Texas. I have pulled data for 10 keywords from their Google Ads account. Okay. So look at mail. You can see the keyword, how many times it appeared, how many clicks it got, and what the click rate was, the cost per click, how many conversions it got, and what is cost per conversion, and finally the quality score. Right. So now notice the color. The green ones like house cleaning army, home cleaning Dallas, deep cleaning Dallas, mobile cleaning. So this type of keyword is good because quality score is also good, also cost per lead is low. Okay, so these are the healthy keywords. They are getting clicks, converting well, and the cost per conversion is reasonable. And then look at the orange ones. Orange ones. So like made service near me, and also so in here quality score is 6. Not pretty, not variable, but helps room to grow. Now look at the radar. It's about cleaning, upscaling dollars, and also both. So in here, quality score is not good. Quality score is very low. So in here now in a cleaning company, look at this keyword. It's 29 zero impression, but only one conversion. Just got one conversion and cost $433. That is dash done. In here, see $50, $63, $54. In here, about that's like eight go more. Okay, so this is a table study everything at a glance. This is why we fold data every week and look at it this way. Now in the next slide, we'll look at a charts to understand to even it better. So now this chart makes this very visual. On the left side can see all 10 keywords quality score list. First one, green bar is mean good score, orange means average, and red means poor. So look at the cleaning company and office cleaning at the top. Cleaning company and office cleaning at the top. Okay. Those red bars with a score of just 3. Now look at the chart on the right side. This in your right side. This shows you cost per acquisition, meaning how much money you are spending to get one lead or one customer. So see what happens. The cleaning company keyword, $433 per conversion. Apartment cleaning, $102 per conversion. Affordable cleaning, $93 per conversion. Okay. So what I mean. So but mobile cleaning in here, see mobile cleaning only $41. House cleaning near me only $51. Only $51. So do you see the pattern? The keyword with high quality score have much lower cost per lead. So quality score, when quality score is will high, our cost per lead will low. Always remember this. Okay. So this is not coincidence. Better quality means Google trust you add more and shows it more, and you pay less for better results. So this is exactly why quality score analysis is not just about a number. It directly affects how much money you spend and how much you get back. So now this chart goes on one level deeper. Instead of just showing you the total quality score, it breaks it down into the 3 components for every single keyword. The blue bar is expected CTR. That is clickability, right? From 100 impression, how much people click your ads. Okay, so this clickability. The orange bar is ad relevance. Does the ad match the search? And the green bar is landing page. Does the page match what was promised? So the scale at the bottom tells you one means below average, and 2 means average, 3 means above average. Now look at a cleaning company in here. Okay, cleaning company keyword. So on the far right chart, all these bar are at 1. In here, you see cleaning company. The score is equal to 1. All are 1, right? All bars are 1. So below average on everything in here, because 1 is equal to below average. So below average on everything. That means the ad is not compelling. The keyword theme is too broad and too bad, and the landing page is not matching compared to house cleaning. So house cleaning near me on the left side in here, expected CTR is 3, because the blue bar is expected CTR is 3 is equal to 3. Also our relevance, the orange color is equal to also 3. Okay, and landing page result is average 2. So this breakdown helps you know which specific things to fix, not just this keyword is bad, but this keyword has a CTR problem or this keyword has a landing page problem. That is a real diagnosis. So now this is one of my favorite slides in this entire presentation. I call it the diagnosis matrix. This is your cheat sheet for fixing quality score problems. Number one is quality. So to the first row, if you expect CTR is weak, it means your ad is not interesting enough. People see it but do not want to click. So the big six to write better headlines, ad on offer, ad urgency, make the ad stand out from competitors. And second row, if ad relevance is weak, it means your ad group is too broad. You have too many different keywords in one group. So, and your ad cannot speak to well to, to all of them clearly. So the fix is to split your ad groups and make the tighter. So one thing per group. Okay, and the so third row is if the landing page experience is weak, it means the face people see after clicking does not match what the ad promised. So maybe the ad said apartment cleaning, but the page talks about all cleaning services in general. So the fix is slow, so create dedicated landing page that match exactly what was advertised. Always a dedicated landing page for a one core service. Always remember this. Okay, and the red row at the bottom. If all three are weak, that usually means the card itself is wrong. It is attracting people who have no interest in what I offer, and the fix is to pause it, add negatives, and rebuild from scratch. So every time you see a low quality score, ask yourself, which of these four situations am I in? That answer tells you exactly what to do next. I think you can remember this. When you are managing an account weekly, you cannot analyze every single keyword equally in this system. This is not this is the bucket system used. Okay, so bucket 8 is high spend and low quality score. High spend plus low quality score. These keywords are showing a lot, but quality is pulling them back. Your losing scale because of poor efficiency. Bucket number B is high impression and low quality score. These keywords are showing a lot, but quality is pulling them back. So you are losing scale because of poor efficiency. Okay. Bucket number C is converting. The most exciting one, converting keywords with weak quality score. So do not pause them quickly. These are already making money. So if you fix the structure and messaging, they will make even more money with a lower cost. And bucket number D is low volume and low quality score. Not urgent priority. Monitor unless they matter strategically. And the last bucket number is high quality score but no conversion. The relevance is fine, but maybe the intent is wrong. People are searching but not ready to buy. So time to review the offer and the phase experience. This bucket system saves you hours every week. You stop wasting and start working on the right thing first, right? So let us go deep on the post keyword in this account, cleaning company. Look at the number at the top. So in here, 2,900 impression, city around only 2.45%, cost per acquisition, $433, and quality score just 3, and also it's just a single one conversions. Okay, so why this is happening? Look at the graph in the middle. When someone types cleaning company into Google, what are they actually looking for? What are they actually looking for? Some want residential cleaning, some want office cleaning, some want carpet cleaning, some want janitorial cleaning, and some want to buy a franchise, and some are reading reviews, and some want industrial cleaning. So this is called mixed search center. You ad, your one ad cannot speak to all of these people at once. So nobody feels like the ad was made for them. Nobody clicks, and when they do click, the landing page does not match what they expected. So delete. So look at action section at the bottom. What should you do? I'll show you. First, pull the search term reports and add negative for job searches, commercial training, and also review related queries. Second, pause the broad masculine company keyword. Third, create separate focus tab. One for house cleaning, one for maid service, and one for move out cleaning. Every ad group, every single service, okay, a single intent, and each ad group gets its own matching landing page. This one change alone can recover a huge amount of waste budget. Now let us look at the opposite kind of keyword, one that has real potential but just needs a bit of work. This is maid service level. Look at it here. 100 1880 impressions. Our CTR is 5.90% and got 9 conversion, and CP of $83 as like about $84, and quality score is 6. So all three components are rated average. So this keyword is already working, but average is not the best it can be. So with targeted improvements, we can push this keyword to the next level. So look at the left side in here and of the comparison, the current state. The headline does not even say. So the headline does not even say the words maid service. The ad group has too many unrelated keywords mixed in. So there is no open, no urgency, no trust exam. And the landing page is a generic home page. So after optimization. Now look at the right side. After optimization, the headline says book same maid service in Dallas. This is a trust signal, licensed and insured, 500 plus homes cleaned, and there is a specific offer. The ad group I keep tight with only maid service keywords, and the user lands on a dedicated maid service page. So the result, quality score moves 6 for up to 7 in here. Quality score moves 6 to 8, CPA drops, conversion increases, and this keyword can now be scaled with confidence. So this is how you grow a campaign, not by spending more, but by making what you already have work better. Now I want to show you real numbers. This is what actually happened with the apartment cleaning service keyword after we applied the optimization frameworks. Okay, so look at the chart on the left. The orange bars, the orange bars are before and the green bars are after. Okay, so before, bottom, after, just 3 weeks later. CTR went from 4 to 5.49%, conversion went to 3 to 7, and quality score went from 5 to 7. Okay, and even the average cost per lead went slightly down. So now look at the right side. Before the optimization, the cost per lead was $102.27. After, just $62 with 40 cents. Okay. So read the message at about. So in here, must be remember this: savings of almost $40 per conversion, a 39% reduction in cost per acquisition, and quality is going to improve from 5 to 7 in just 3 weeks. All of this happened because we created a tighter ad group, wrote better keyword specific copy, and match the message to the landing page. No extra budget, no magic, just better structure and relevance. Okay, so I hope you can understand. Now let me give you the exact quickly system. Follow. This is a 5-day workflow that keeps your account on top shape. Monday is your performance scan day. You look at a big picture, overall matrices, any major changes, budget pacing, just a quick health check. Thursday is a search term cleanup. You review what people actually type to trigger your ads. You add negative keywords to block relevant searches. And Tuesday, and also Tuesday is search term cleanup. You review what people actually type to trigger your ads. Add negative keywords to block relevant searches. This is protecting your budget. And always quality score analysis. This is what the entire video is about. You go keyword by keyword using the bucket system and diagnose every problem. And Thursday is when you actually fix things. You rewrite ads, split ad groups, create landing page updates, request copy changes. And Friday is monitor impact. You track what changed this week. CTR, CPA, quality score improvements. You document everything. So next week you can improve. You can compare. So the blue note must be remembered. Same day every week, same date range comparison that gives you reliable trend data. So consistency is what makes the system powerful. So when you are managing multiple accounts or large account with many keywords, you cannot spend equal time on everything. So you need to know what to work on first. And this scoring model helps you to do that. Read the formula at the top. Priority score equals spend weight plus impression, weight plus conversion below weight plus, and quality score weakness weight. Okay, four things. Spend weight plus impression weight plus conversion value weight plus quality score weakness weight. Okay, so let me explain. It's simply if a keyword is spending a lot of money, that is 3 points. High impressions, 3 points. If it is converting, 3 points. If quality score is very weak, like 3 or 4, so another 3 points. The maximum total is 12. So the higher the score, the more urgently you need to fix that keyword. Look at a yellow example in here. Affordable house cleaning. Okay. So spend score 2 and impression score 2 and converting 3 and quality weakness 3. That is total 10 out of 10. That means it is a critical priority keyword. This model stops you from wasting time on low impact keywords and keeps you focused where the money is. And give you every keyword, just score. Then go to your next step. This is your quick decision table. When you look at a look at a keyword, you match the one of these 5 patterns. You know exactly what to do. First one. So pattern 1, low quality score, high speed, no conversion. This is a budget rate. Pause it and reveal quickly. Pattern number 2, low quality score plus high spend plus but some conversions. This is valuable but inefficient. So do not pause it yet. Fix the structure first, then decide. Pattern number 3 is low quality score, low spend, low volume, low urgency. So just keep an eye on it. Pattern number 4 is mid quality score, high conversion. So that is skill candidate, right? Improve the ads and landing page, then increase the budget. And the last one is high quality score, no conversions. So the relevance is fine, but the business speed is wrong. So people are clicking but not converting. So check the offer, the pricing, the call to action on the page. So this table is something you can point out and keep next to you during your next review. So it will save you so much time and help you make the right decision every day. So before we wrap up, let us go through the most common mistake I see advertisers and agencies making, and for each mistake I will tell you the right thing to do instead. So mistake number 1 is chasing the quality score number. So do not do this. Instead, optimize the root cause behind the score. Okay. Mistake number 2 is pausing every keyword and the quality score. Quality score 6. Some of those keywords are converting and making money. So always check conversion data first. Mistake number 3 is ignoring conversion data. Quality score is a support goal. Conversion are the real goal. So always look at the conversion first. Mistake number 4 is mixing different services in one ad. House cleaning and office cleaning should be in separate ad groups. So one intent for one ad group. Okay. Mistake number 5, sending everyone to the home page. Every keyword should land on a page that directly matches the keyword. So dedicated pages, not a generic home pages. Okay. And mistake number 6, using one generic ad for every keyword. Write keyword specific headlines. If someone searches apartment cleaning, your ad should see apartment killing. And mistake number 7, running broadcast keyword without checking search term. So broadcast is powerful but dangerous without weekly search term review and negative keywords. And the last mistake is judging new low volume keywords too early. Wait for enough data before making decision. A keyword with 20 clicks is not enough to judge fairly. And now we reach the final slide. The most important takeaways from the interview. Look at our 4 cards. This is simple rule to remember for everything. Okay. So if expected CTR is weak, if expected is weak, fix the ad and search intent. If ad relevance is weak, fix the ad group structure. If landing page is weak, fix the page match and user experience. And if all 3 are weak, the keyword is probably wrong and needs to be replaced. Now create a golden rule in the yellow box. Keyword score is a diagnostic tool, not a KPI optimized or relevance fiction, not the number. So and look at the 4 boxes in here at the bottom. This is what weekly of quality score analysis actually does for your businesses. 1, it reduces wasted spend, it improves CTR, and it gives you better conversion efficiency, and it helps you scale the keywords that are actually working. So and that's it. That is the complete quality score analysis framework that I use every single week across multiple goals account. So you now know what quality score really means. You know our 3 components and how to fix each one. You have the bucket framework, the decision table, the priority scoring model, and the real before and after results to back it all up. So if you apply even 2 or 3 of these ideas to your own campaigns this week, you will see a real difference in your numbers within 3 weeks. So if this video helped you, please like it and share it with someone who is running Google Ads. And it really helps the channel grow and helps more people learn the right way to manage their campaigns. So and if you have questions about your own account, drop the comment below. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next one.